I have a Toro Dingo tx420 that will not start. Replaced both relays but nothing.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shutoff valve open and the fuel clean?
Yes. It was running but then was shut off for a few minutes, and when tried to restart nothing happens. Engine does not turn over.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If possible.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I would just like some ideas of where to look for problems.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer.
Okay, what else would you like to know?
Check the safety switches. Is everything in neutral? Are the switches making? Is key switch getting battery voltage? Is battery voltage above 12.5 volts?
No, just wanted some ideas on what the problem might be. It appears to be electrical. Battery is charged. Relays have been replaced, but engine does not turn over.
Check the safety switches. Is everything in neutral? Are the switches making? Is key switch getting battery voltage? Is battery voltage above 12.5 volts?
The Dingo does not have safety switches. All that is required to start is shifting to run and turning the key. Are you there? Bye.
Parking brake has to be applied to start, so it has a safety switch.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.